Hi everyone, today we will show you how to make Onigiri Bento Lunch. It's a typical Japanese meal taken to schools and workplaces. All components except onigiri rice bowls can be prepared the night before, so it's quite simple to put this together. A full recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. The main dish for this bento is rolled chicken with vegetables, which can be a dinner for the night before. Check out the recipe video if you haven't already. We are going to make onigiri rice balls. Remove the pit from an umeboshi pickled plum. In a small bowl, mix katsuobushi bonito flakes with soy sauce. These are going to be the fillings for today's onigiri. Cut the nori roasted seaweed to be close to the size of rice balls you're making. Wet your hands with water and spread some salt. And place some rice in one hand and press it to form a triangle shape like that. And make a small well in the center of the rice ball and add a filling. Close the well and reshape the rice. You can skip the filling if you want or add anything you like, such as salmon flakes. And wrap it with a sheet of roasted seaweed. Moving on to the side dishes, again you can prepare all the sides on the night before. Blanch the broccoli florets and make the sesame sauce by mixing ground sesame seeds, soy sauce, and mayonnaise. And add the broccoli and mix. Slice a cucumber and cut a boiled egg in half and sprinkle with salt and black sesame seeds. We are going to assemble bento. You can use any types of food containers and there is no right or wrong way to pack this. Place the onigiri rice balls on one side and add the rolled chicken with vegetables on the other side. Place an egg and broccoli. Paper or silicone cups like this can be a great divider to use in a bento box. In empty spaces, add some sliced cucumbers and cherry tomatoes. Using a leftover dinner and some simple vegetable side dishes along with onigiri rice balls, here we have a colorful, nutritious, and delicious bento. Hope you try it soon!